Hi. I'm Jessica.
I'm Cecelia.
And we have special guest stars today.
Yep, let's bring them out. Blueberry! Blueberry!
Bird!
Blueberry!
No, stop. I'll give you dogs. Come on, boo boo. Come on, baby. Oh, that's great. I love you.
This is Blueberry.
Get in the light.
This is Blueberry. This is Blueberry.
And this is Raspberry.
Raspberry bites a lot. See what?
It's my bird. It's my bird.
Yeah, aren't they so cute?
Baby blue.
Oh. So yeah.
Put it on your head.
Come on, Blueberry. Is he gonna bite me? Is he biting me?
Where are they? Where? Merrily, where did it go? Oh. Oh, there you go, baby.
There's Blueberry.
I found you, boo boo. I found you.
I got Blueberry. Nuh-uh. He did not poop on my head.
He didn't. He did, really, man?
Ew.
He did.